Hello everyone. Given that we are opening officially our lobbies in Houlton and here in Presque Isle at 771 Main Street on Tuesday morning to the public for the first time in a number of months, I thought I'd walk you through the construction area that's still under construction at our 771 Main Street facility, but will be substantially completed enough for us to open the lobby on Monday and give you this progress update so you can all see how it's coming along. So we're going to walk in the lobby here where the painters are on lunch break right now, but have taken a quick break from their great job doing the paint work here in the lobby. This is going to be our main reception area once it's all finished. The millwork has been delivered, the customized table has been delivered, workstation has been delivered, but is not installed yet. But this is this portion of our project, and certainly scan you through our newly expanded lobby. Crews will be here on Monday to install the new restrooms on either side of this wall here. This being one of the restrooms, formerly an intake space, a very small intake space. You see inside of the reception area here, which is conveniently located near a window if we ever have to go back to a point where we're delivering services from the inside to the outside through a window. This will be our future HEAP intake space where customers will come in, and there will be a HEAP intake person right on the other side of this window here in that office. And this is the other restroom that's getting some modifications to it. This was an existing restroom before the project. I'll take you now through the community services corridor. You'll note some of our own crew. There's Doug right there, who's cleaning windows. Say hi, Doug. Great job getting the building ready for our opening on Monday, or somewhat of an opening on Monday. And this corridor right here will have that HEAP intake space here and other offices located in this space where members of the community will be invited in to meet with staff who regularly meet with individuals with the public. We're storing stuff right now, but this will be a conference space for meetings with individuals. Take you quickly down this way where Dave Buber is finalizing materials for the offices of two of our members of our finance team right here. Hi, Carl.
Hello.
This is the space of one of the offices of Rebecca Campbell-Mary, one of our accountants, and Taylor Dobson's workspace is right here, getting those finishing touches ready for their return to the office on Tuesday. Take you back through to the other side of the facility. Heading back through the community services corridor. And heading over into what will be the WIC clinic space on the days of the week that WIC is doing clinics in this building, and also an interview room for individuals and families. The other days of the week, there's the desk that will be in this room. There'll be some built-in shelving units along the wall here. And then WIC customers on a WIC clinic day will flow from this room into this corridor here, where our WIC community educators will occupy this office and this office here. And this is Rochelle Roy's office here. And then we're still waiting on some door installations, including this one, that are on back order. But this door will swing open, allowing Lucy Moore, our dental hygienist, who will occasionally be in this conference room with her portable unit, helping WIC moms and children with oral exams. On other days, it will be used as the conference room for our Hope and Prosperity Resource Center, where you can see the coaches' offices. We're finalizing those, 4 of them, along the wall here. Painters finishing up here. Portland glass finishing up on the casement of the door here. And then of course you see where we're storing materials right now in the center of the space to return them to their office spaces. New reception desk there, and some of the items, custom millwork that will be installed in the WIC clinic and customer interview room. And then back through the WIC space, where WIC customers will then exit through this door, and then out through this door, back to the lobby, and on their way. We'll be greeting folks in this lobby on Tuesday morning.